Hey, how is it going? I hope you are doing well and having a good time. I am back again, and today I am going to be taking you to Sissi. It's going to be fun. So before we get there, I will give you a beautiful tour of the street and I will show you around. Finally got here. We are at Sissi, and it's good to have a parking here. Like, I'm all the time worried about the parking. So yeah, if you come to the Sissi, you will definitely find a space to park your car. And around me you can see that there are tavernes, I mean restaurants, coffee shops, and the hotels just next to the sea that you can stay. And let's explore even more Sissi, and I will show you some awesome drone footage also. So yeah, it will be fun.
I want you to call me. You know that I've fallen for you. I try to give you my best, baby, but I'm afraid that it just won't do. But honey, please, 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 let me do it right. Oh yeah, I wanna do it right. I want you to know that I'll always be by your side. It's not something I'll take for granted, but I sure hope you want me in your life. 'Cause I don't wanna miss a thing. Oh yeah, don't wanna miss a thing. Oh, every night I have this dream that I stand right before you. And you take my hand and let me get close to your heart. Why don't you show me how it feels when a dream comes true? I won't cheat on you, baby. That's just something I would never do. 'Cause my heart only beats for you. Oh yeah, it only beats for you. Yeah. Why don't you show me how it feels when a dream comes true? I won't cheat on you, baby. That's just something I would never do. 'Cause my heart, and my heart, only beats for you. Oh yeah.
Okay, so here we are. We are in Sissi. As long as I'm being here, I'm really enjoying my time. It's a beautiful place to hang out and also to be by the sea. There are too many restaurants which is so close to the sea, like this one. It's a small port here, and in the same time people are swimming, and the view of those trees are amazing. Like, you can sit here and you can drink your coffee, and in the same time you can have that view. So yeah, I'm enjoying myself, and I highly recommend to visit this place. You are going to definitely enjoy this place, and also in the same time the people are so warm. They are looking at you with smiley faces, and they are giving you a warm welcome if you come to this place. And in the same time, Like I can show you, there are bikes that you can rent and you can walk around. The other good thing about Sissi is that they have daily small trips around the island. Maybe they can take you to the Malia and some other places you can also enjoy. I'm not sure how much it will cost, but maybe it's not going to cost that much. But you can get into the boat and they will take you for a beautiful tour. So yes, and the people here, as you can see, they are having a good life and they are living happy life. And today it's amazing in Crete. Today's weather is not that much warm, it's not windy, and it's like completely corrected and curated for a bloom and to swim in the sea. So yes, and lots of young people are trying to walk around and to explore. So me, if you are visiting Crete, and if you are staying in Crete and if you don't visit Sissi, it's going to be like you didn't explore Crete completely. So yes, and they have ice cream, they have good food, peace, and yeah, and they have that spa special prices. And this, I like this bar, like you can see it is wooden and you can drink wine here, which is amazing. And you will mostly find flowers around the corners, and you will find beautiful decorated houses and restaurants, which is also adding extra beauty to the Sissi. It's not a big place, you will not get lost, but you're going to enjoy it. Even if you want to play billiard, it's available. And the other thing, that this place has an ATM, you don't need to be worried, you can take. And what else I can show you around? Yes, I already showed you. This is the parking that you can park your car. If you are lucky, you will find parking. But today I don't think it's so busy. You will find. And the hotels, like there are so close, the hotels are close to the sea. You can rent a room and you can stay there and you can have a wonderful view of the sea. Okay, let me... Yeah, this is a beautiful restaurant here. I will try to show you around because the owner...
Here is the best restaurant in Sissi.
Yes.
If you want, you come to try.
Yes.
Don't think to lose, you try.
Yes, yes. I can see the view is gorgeous. Let me
Yeah.
show to the people.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
There, and the next view. The next view.
Okay, let me show a little bit. So yes, this is the with classic photos of islands. And you will find this beautiful design here, which is an extra beauty to this place. Okay, so this will be your table. So this will be your table, and this will be sea. So if you are coming to Crete and if you really want to have a good time, like I'm not sponsored by this restaurant and nothing is going on, I'm just trying to add much more experience to your travel and to let you have a good time. So you can sit here and you can have a good time. Yes. You are trying to disturb me. Okay, thank you, my friend.
Welcome.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Have a good time.
Have a good day.
Yes.
Bye.
Remember him. He's
My
going
name
to...
Panos.
Yes, yes.
Panos.
Okay, Panos. If you come, say hi to the Panos.
Hi to Panos.
Okay, please. And let me show you the name of the hotel. That's the name of the restaurant. Yes, hang out here. Okay, so from here we will go to swim and have a good time. So let's explore and find some beaches around to enjoy our time. We can swim there, like I already showed it to you that you can swim, but I prefer a little bit open place, kind of beach, a little bit sandy, so that would be nice. So we are about to hunt some beach around Sissi.
Okay, Marina, did you find any beach in your phone?
No yet.
Okay.
We have find the beach. Find the beach.
Are you having a good time today?
Yes, we have.
Okay, so you will also have a good time. See you at the beach. Okay, so just 200 or 300 meters to the east side of Sissi, here is a beach which is called Bufos Beach, and it's kinda they have a bar, they have the beach itself. It is a small beach. It's not that big, but let me make okay. So if you come to Sissi and if you want to go to a beach, you will not find it at Sissi. They have a place to swim, but there is not an actual beach there. So you have to come with your car, and then you will find this beach, and then you can swim. So I will show you some awesome footage of this place, so you can see and you can understand if you want to come to this place or not. So yep, let's jump to the drone footage. Okay, so I went to the beach. It turned out to be not a good beach. This beach has big stones. It can hurt you. So we changed the plan to find another beach. So yes, I don't recommend to hang out in this beach because it might hurt your leg, or maybe you're not going to enjoy yourself. It's kind of small and not that nice. I don't want to be negative, but I need to tell you the truth.